I'm Greg Blythe with Never a Dull Moment, and on behalf of the Queen Store, I'm excited to show you how to use this electric knife sharpener and share with you all the functions and features that are available. All right, so this combination diamond and resin knife sharpener comes in 3 different sharpening stages. First off, you will notice that there is an on-off power slip on the base, as well as this charging cord. And then also on the bottom, you're still gonna have 4 silicone non-slip pads. So that way you can make for a stable and very safe position, so that way you don't hurt yourself. Okay, what's gonna be interesting about this is there are 3 stages, but you'll see 6 slots. The first 2 slots actually work together. Okay, this is the coarsest, and this is made of diamond. Okay, so this is a 360 grit. And I don't know if you can see that. We have like coarse, we have fine, and then we have polish. So on stage 1, on the coarse with the diamond, this is gonna be how you set the edge of something that is either damaged or something that's been very dull for a long time. And then after you have set the edge, then you can move on to stage 2. This is gonna be your mid grit at 600. Again, we have diamond. This is gonna finish that V shape to put the actual edge on the knife. Now, if you're just doing weekly or daily maintenance on the knife, you don't have to begin with stage 1. You can just do that on stage 2. But if you do start with stage 1, you will continue to stage 2. Then after stage 2, you will always finish with stage 3. This is gonna be a 1000 grit. This is resin that you're gonna pull the knife through. And this 1000 grit is really gonna polish the edge and pull off any loose metal that you have on the edge of the blade and smooth it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how you would do this. So first off, we need to go ahead and turn this to make it accessible to myself. I'm going to then turn this on. And in doing so, when I get to stage 1, I am going to pull the knife through this section. There's 2 slots. So I'm gonna do 1 slot, and I'm gonna make my pull. It's gonna last 4 to 8 seconds. That is gonna do one side of the knife, and then I'm gonna do the other side of the knife, still being on stage 1. Remember that your pull should last 4 to 8 seconds. Then we're gonna repeat that process, a 4 to 8 second pull. This is not a push-pull system. We're just pulling. We're gonna make sure each time we do both sides of the knife, and we'll finish with the polish. So turning it on, we're gonna make sure that we put the heel of the knife in first. Okay, we're gonna make sure it goes to the bottom of the slot. So there are angle guides in there to make sure we get the right angle. So just go to the bottom and then take your time pulling. And you're gonna wanna tilt at the last second so you can get the tip. And because of the angle guide, it made sure that you got the correct angle on the knife. So now we're gonna do the other side. So let's make sure that the blade goes all the way down, heel first. Four to 8 seconds. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing on stage 2. Make sure you use those angle guides, and make sure you get the blade all the way to the bottom. You can feel the angle guides actually guiding you. You're gonna hear this being much quieter as it's polishing the edge. And after you completed all 6 slots, you will have sharpened your knife. There we go. Come on now. I mean, that's sharp. Thank you for watching. On behalf of the Queen Store, I hope this was helpful.